So what we're going to do is we're going to give a quick introduction on Miele's latest innovation in laundry care with our washers and dryers, our W1 washer and our T1 dryer.
Awesome.
Our washer is an anything washer because we can wash anything and everything that you could possibly imagine and properly care for it and clean with a life expectancy 4 times longer than what you would expect of any other system. With our dryer, it's the Anywhere dryer, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. So with the W1 series, we actually have 3 options or opportunities for the client. The first is going to give you many programs carried over from the previous generation, from normal, wrinkle-free, delicate, sanitized hand wash, dress shirts, Miele Mobile Control. Miele Mobile Control takes us over to our Wi-Fi connection because all of our washers and dryers are now Wi-Fi capable, giving the customer the opportunity to monitor and see the results and where they're at in the wash cycle, but most importantly, if they it'll be reminded if and when they need detergents, etc. So the programs, just like in the previous generation, these programs are specific to the garment that we're washing. If it's normal, it's a normal item, and normally soiled, wrinkle-free is a wrinkle-free item. These are all things that we've always had within our system. With the first opportunity within the W1 series, we have a standard laundry compartment where you're going to have your main wash for your laundry detergent, your pre-wash, and then this is your first introduction to Miele's cap dosing. Miele now offers cap dosing where they can do specifics. This particular one is for wool care. We have another for sport, fabric conditioner. We have boosters, enzymes. We have a medley of different opportunities for specific linens. The wool care and or any other cap dose would go in. It's 1 cap per load. And as they close, it would pierce and we would properly introduce that into the system. The Miele W1 series, if you notice, as we open the door, the front opening remains the same size, but the interior is actually going to increase from a 5.5 kilo to an 8 kilo system. When we move to our second option for the consumer, we're now moving into where we have the capability of doing the twin dosing systems. The consumer can utilize their own laundry detergents should they so desire. They can also take advantage of cap dosing, as we just saw, but also, more importantly, as you just saw from the demonstration, they can now utilize our phase 1 and phase 2 laundry detergents found here. Phase 1 and phase 2. And again, what we saw earlier is going to give us the opportunity to hit the exact detergents that we need, or the exact amounts of the detergents that we need. No loss in performance from here to here as far as when we go into a normal setting. We simply now have the ability to do twin dosing. Our final series, which is our top tier system, is going to offer something that we have titled as Intense Wash. Intense Wash utilizes a pump system where we're going to be using the suds from the bottom of the system, but we also bring the water up and spray from the top, so we're getting multiple points of action for the detergents, ensuring that we're properly dissolving the detergents and also giving the best possible results we can offer. Standard connections on this machine: hot water, cold water. The quick intense wash, utilizing the intense wash, gives us a 49-second wash, or excuse me, 49-minute wash. Sorry for that. Quick intense, we have a 49-minute wash. By using the intensive wash program, we have the ability to take care of that. We're offering pedestals as well. And just as always, this machine's going to be stacked side by side, any installation option they could possibly want. Now, if I take you over to the T1 dryer, the T1 dryer is going to offer 2 solutions as well. We have the T1 where the exterior does not have the glass doors. You see them side by side. Just like the previous system, it's going to monitor how dry the item is based on the moisture levels within the system. From here to here, we now offer a steam option in lieu of having to iron something. It's not uncommon for the laundry industry, but we have steam refresh. The biggest advantage for us with our T1 system is that we're employing our heat pump dry system that we've had in Europe for many, many years. This dryer, as I said earlier, is the anywhere dryer. I literally can put this machine in the middle of the floor, run an extension cord to it, and it will dry because it's completely concealed. The heat pump dry system is a very simple system. We simply are going to introduce heat. It's going to pass through. We're going to extract the cool air, run it back through the evaporator, compress that, heat it back up. We're basically and essentially reclaiming the air. Heat pump drying has been part of our lineup for many, many years abroad. And many of our competitors, in fact, all of our competitors in Europe are employing it. But for us, it's revolutionary, and it's also much improved over what we had prior to. Our drying system is faster than what we were offering our clients prior to. And with the heat pump dry system, the dryer being an anywhere dryer, it only needs 110 volts.
YouTube video. If you'd like to see more appliance reviews and ratings, please click on the link below to subscribe to our channel, or visit our website at appliancebuyersguide.com.